All right, today I'm going to go over how to change the windshield wiper blades on Honda Fit. This is a 2012 model. And this set of blades, this is a Bosch, so these are a little different. You just flip this guy up and you pull down and it releases. And this comes out. On other wiper blades, what you're looking for, some might have a little tab that you reach in here to unclip it. You unclip it and then you pull it down. When you put this guy back on, it just slides through and hooks into place like this. And then push up, you'll feel a little clip that goes on, and that's it. I think the most important thing though is whatever brand, just know how it clips on. This one is a little different with the Bosch. And I love Bosch wiper blades. They work really well and are always consistent. But yeah, you're looking for that little clip. You pull it down, then you throw your new one on and it clips right into place. This does use two different sizes. I will have a link to the proper sizes in the description, but you got a little tiny one there and then this big one here. If this was helpful, subscribe and we'll see you next time.